Johannesburg is a special place. And earlier I said, Johannesburg is too big to fail, and we're not going to allow it to fail.
Welcome back to Fokou Media. Let's have a walk in Johannesburg CBD.
Johannesburg is a special place. And earlier I said, Johannesburg is too big to fail, and we're not going to allow it to fail. We're going to work hard to restore Johannesburg to its old glory. We're going to work hard to ensure that its neighborhoods and townships are restored to what they should be, and development does take place. We want also the rich history of this town, this city, to be restored. It's been a city of struggle. It's been a city of great progress that has been seen, but it has now become stuck in a rut. And we now need to boost Johannesburg and take it out of the rut it is in. Because Johannesburg is a special place. And earlier I said, Johannesburg is too big to fail, and we're not going to allow it to fail. We're going to work hard to restore Johannesburg to its old glory. We're going to work hard to ensure that its neighborhoods and townships are restored to what they should be, and development does take place. We want also the rich history of this town, this city, to be restored.
Guys, walk with me along the street. Let's check and see what Johannesburg it is today. After walking along the street, I would like you to give me as a comment below your view. Do you really think that the president will restore Johannesburg? I will not be able to take you to Berea. I will not take you to Yeovil. I will not take you to Hillbrook. I will not take you to Rosettenville. These are neighborhoods of Johannesburg suburb. The president say we have to restore all the neighborhoods of the special place called Johannesburg, the township, meaning that the Soweto must be restored. Guys, what do you think? Give me your view, your opinion. How long is it going to take the president to restore the town? A month? A year? Or it might be a lifetime thing? We can actually have some sign of cleanness. Yes. You can see at this place there's no trash here. It looks clean. But we wish to see it all the time like this. That's why I was asking if it's not because of G20 that the president took this challenge. But let me be positive. We can see the difference in the street of Johannesburg today. Look at this place. We can now say that the message of the president is working. Yes, the mayor of Johannesburg is working. I may be wrong. I know some of you are always in Johannesburg. Give me a comment below. Share your experience with Johannesburg of today. When last have you been in Johannesburg? Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. As you know, this channel is for you. The channel of African living in the diaspora. The channel of entrepreneur. The channel of technician. The channel of travel. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to end the video here, and let's stand behind the president and keep Johannesburg clean and safe. Johannesburg, the special place. My name is Alphonse Fokou. Thank you.